Welcome back to another inspiration of the week. I'm super excited to be here with Bill. We're going to be covering their Learn With Later. It's their education program, a bunch of different stuff.
One of the things that's so great about this education center is that it really breaks down a lot of valuable content and easy ways to understand and navigate. They've given users a quick snapshot at the bottom of each of these, giving them how much level of effort, how much time it's going to take to go through each piece of this content. It's really nice. It doesn't leave the user guessing how much of an investment is this going to be for me.
I feel like I'm actually following along like actively rather than being passive like a video. They offer not just like timing but like different ways to consume the content with it.
It's a great way for users to alleviate some of the fear of doing something wrong for the first time, or not setting it up properly. It really gives them the freedom to interact in like a staging environment without all of that technical uplift required to actually do so.
One of the things that I like to think about onboarding and just like educating in general is that you want to cater for beginners, for intermediate, and then for advanced users. And for those advanced ones, they're down to watch a 2 hour a 2 hour thing to like go deep on something.
I think the things that you can really learn if you're looking to build or stand up an education site or platform for your product is really start by listening to what your users are telling you right now. Look at your customer success, your go-to-market teams, or your support teams, and see what questions are being asked that you can answer.
That's all good. Thank you so much, Bill. I appreciate you. And to the Later team, thank you for building this out. It was a great inspiration for others and us as well.